Hey guys, just wanted to remind you guys before I start this video that I am having my birthday giveaway. It is my birthday on April 15 and I'll be giving away a gift card of $50 Amazon gift card. And to enter this giveaway, you have to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This will be my first ever giveaway and I would really love for you guys to participate. So hit that like button, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video, and so that you guys can have a chance to enter the giveaway. Thank you guys so much. Let's get into today's video. What's up guys, for today's video, as you can tell by the thumbnail, I'm gonna be doing kind of like a rainbow baby doll theme for you guys today. As you can tell by me doing my makeup, I'm a bit scattered today. My daughter had all of my makeup items playing with just to keep her occupied while I did my video, and I couldn't find all of my items. As you can tell, I couldn't find my primer, so I did not put it on. But just do your routine how you normally do by adding your primer, then your foundation, and then your concealer. Next, I'm just going to be outlining my eyebrows, and then I'm going to be adding some concealer to my foundation just to lighten it up a bit. Next, I'm going to be blending out my eyebrows just to make sure that I don't have any harsh lines. Next, I'm going to be just blending out that foundation, and as you can tell, my daughter got into my highlighter. So this is what I had on my face with my blending brush. So I just went with the flow and just used it as is because I couldn't find all of my items anyways. So I just went ahead and just continue to use that to see if I could work with it and blend it out. So next I'm going to be adding my colors to my eyelid, and I'm just using a cotton round just to apply that on. I'm not using any makeup brush today. So first I decided I'm going to apply my yellow in my inner eye section of my eyelid, and that's going to be the first color of my rainbow. Next I'm going to be going in with my green. And as I am patting the colors in, I'm trying to blend them in as well. Next, I'll be going in with my blue and then my purple. Next, I'm going to be going in with my red. That will be my final color. So I'm just going to be putting that in on the outer section of my eye. Okay, Okay, so I tried to use the brush to blend everything in, but it ended up took away a lot of the colors. So I had to reapply some of the colors back in just to make sure that they're more visible. Next, I'm going to be using my foundation brush, and I'm just going to be brushing away some of that excess eyeshadow. Here, I'm just reapplying some of that red to the outer corner of my eyes because I did end up wipe away a lot of it. So I'm just reapplying it here. Next, I'm going to be using my water eyeshadow technique that I have created in my mind. I don't know if anyone else uses this, but if someone else does, let me know in the comment section below. So I'm just using that to go underneath my eyelid, and I'm going to transition all of the colors that I used on my eyelid. I'm going to bring that down under my waterline. So I'm going to be doing the yellow, the green, the blue, the purple, and the red. And I'm going to just blend all of that in under my eyelid that I have on my eyelid. I'm going to bring that down to my waterline. I know y'all can see the difference between my makeup and my neck. Mind your business, okay? Again, my daughter applied my highlighter to my foundation brush, so that whole thing gave me a whole nother different glow than my actual foundation would. So mind your business. Next, I'm going to be using my technique again by adding some of my setting spray to my eyeshadow, and this time I'm going to be using white, and I'm going to be using that to form my eyeliner or my wing. Next, I'm going to be using my concealer just to clean up that underwing area and blend that out. I did get my rainbow eyeshadow inspiration from a James Charles video that I've watched in the past, and I was like, I'm going to try this one day. So that is where I get this section of my makeup inspiration from. And of course, I've added my own personality, my own touch to it. And this is how it's looking so far. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, what you guys think of this video tutorial so far. And if you're watching this video and you have reached this far and you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Obviously, you're liking my content. Subscribe. I have about over 50% of the persons that watch my video are not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel and welcome. For my blush area, I'm gonna be adding some hearts. I got this inspiration from a TikTok video that I found last week. So I'm applying a little heart stickers, or in this case I used tape to form my hearts, and I'm adding them to my cheek area. And then I'm gonna be using my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be using the colors that I haven't used in my rainbow, which is pink. And I'm going to be using almost a teal blue and another shade of purple. So I'm adding those as my blush colors, almost like a pastelish colors. That's what I was going for. And as you can see, as I am patting the colors in to make sure that it covers the hearts, I'm also trying to blend them into each colors. So I'm bringing the purple over into the pink, And I'm going to be touching up the pink to make sure that it's all coming together and blending in together. I'm using a cotton round or a cotton ball just to blend those colors in, so I'm not using any makeup brush today, or if I do, it is minimum in this makeup look. And this is our look for our blush area. So next I'm going to be doing my other cheek off camera, and then we're going to be removing the tape. So now we're removing the tape just to reveal our hearts. And you want to remove them gently so you do not mess up the look. I was using my eyelash applicator to remove the hearts, but if you don't have, you can also use a tweezer, or maybe if you have nails on, you can use your nails as well. As you can see, I was getting a little bit excited looking at how it was looking. I was super excited that it was all coming together. As always, guys, you gotta moisturize your lips. You don't want your lips cracking up underneath your lipstick or your matte lipstick especially. So you have to moisturize your lips before anything. Here I was trying to decide what color I wanted to use for my lips. I thought of going with another pink color, but I wasn't so sure how it would go together with my lips or with my complexion. So I decided to go almost with like a wine red because I didn't have much red showing in my makeup look. So I decided to go in with that red just to bounce back from all of my highlighted colors I had going on. Here I'm just testing out my eyelashes that I bought from Shein just to see how it would look, because I wasn't sure if I wanted to apply lashes or not. So I applied it and I liked how it looked, so I decided to apply them on. So this is the first one applied, and then I did the second one off camera. Now that I've applied my lashes, I applied my setting spray to set that all in. And this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I really like the outcome of this look. I was really worried that I wasn't gonna have everything tied in together, but I thought it was super cute, super doll-like. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and check out this video in the eye. This is for my giveaway. My giveaway is coming up pretty soon. It's on April 15th. So if you'd like to join my giveaway, click that video or that link in the eye that will show you the videos and give you guys instructions on how to enter. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.